सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. A very good evening. Namaste. So I welcome you all in the very first episode Ask with Mohanji with Ayush KC. I am your host. So today we'll have a discussion and interaction on challenges of youth with Mohanji. Mohanji is a philosopher and a living legend where we can ask questions to him. He is a husband and a son and a friend to everyone. He believes the spirituality is a way of lifestyle based on non-violence, peace, and harmony with everything, with beings and nature. I welcome today's guest, Mohanji. I welcome you, Mohanji, the very first episode to Ask with Mohanji and the challenges of youth faced by today. So you were talking about the purpose, having purpose in our life. How someone can find a purpose in their life, especially I'm talking about youth and the people who are between age 14 to 24.
We all have our inclinations. We call it vasanas, right?
Yeah.
The driving force is vasana. We all have our unique vasanas. So whole life we are chasing fulfillment for our vasanas, tendencies. So this is what we are doing our whole life. In various times, when we are a child, we have certain vasanas, certain fulfillment. When we become a youth, when we become adult, each time the vasanas drive us forward. Desires and vasanas are mixed together. So what is the purpose is very simple. Every moment what you're experiencing is the purpose of existence. But you can have a goal. Goal and purpose are sometimes different. Goal means what? You set a target for yourself, a kind of you keep a destination, just like we program in our car, where do you want to go? Like that, you can have a destination clearly defined so that all your activities will be towards that. That's fine. But what drives you? We are all bundle of inclinations, tendencies. That is what we are. We cannot extract ourselves from that. So the purpose is to exhaust and fulfill all these tendencies and inclinations and desires all put together. It's like a mixed box, cocktail. So this is what we are here for. And then this is only thing we are doing the whole life. The whole life we are actually going after fulfillment of some kind. And even sometimes we get misled. Like if we think we make a lot of money, we will be fulfilled. Maybe not, because that becomes more and more of an initiative or an inspiration for more money. And what happens, people make a lot of money, but they fail to be fulfilled, because sometimes money cannot give you that. That satisfaction also is in enjoying the wealth and enjoying the time. It's all enjoyment, right? It's all happiness. We are all seeking happiness and peace and all these things. So in that mode, when we are at it, we should live at the moment, fully, completely, non-distracted, not distracted. Then we are in that moment, and we will be completely and fully satisfied. That's a life of contentment. Contentment is the main thing. I always call contentment, the factor of contentment, as success, not the wealth or the things you earn. Are you contented every moment with what you have? Then you are successful. You can see some very, very poor people, but they're very contented. They're happy with their life. And you can see very rich people totally discontented, no contentment. So is that success? So success is a question mark here.